How to stamp employment contract in Malaysia? Let's do a quick recap. What is stamp duty?
A tax paid to LHDN on legal documents. Includes employment contracts in Malaysia. Governed by the Stamp Act, 1949.
What changed in 2025?
Since January 2025, LHDN is actively enforcing stamping for employment contracts. Contracts must be stamped within 30 days of signing. Audits now cover contracts signed from 2023 onward.
Penalties for late stamping.
Employers may face penalties up to RM100 per contract. Applies to all job types: full-time, part-time, fixed-term, interns.
Who must comply?
Applies across Malaysia, including Sabah and Sarawak. Nationality does not matter. If the work is done in Malaysia, the contract must be stamped.
Let me show you Penalty Waiver 2025.
LHDN is offering a temporary waiver. Contracts signed between the 1st of January 2025 and the 31st of December 2025 must be stamped by the 31st of December 2025 to enjoy the waiver.
Part 1. Registration of Company. How to register a new account in LHDN eStamp.
Visit http://hassle.gov.my stamps. Then, click Daftar ID.
Register under the company name.
Since you will be stamping under the company name, choose Pengguna Syarikat.
Click.
Seterusnya,
Select.
syarikat atau perniagaan atau agensi lain.
Fill in the company details accordingly and select.
Seterusnya,
Documents needed for LHD and eStamp registration.
you will need to upload 3 documents. Company registration form, for example, SSM form, Form 9, or Section 14. Authorizer's IC, the identification card of the person authorized to represent the company. Authorization letter, a simple letter appointing the person who will handle the stamping on behalf of the company.
Check your details again before register. After submitting your registration,
You will receive an email from HassleStamp confirming that your registration was received and is pending approval. LHDN typically takes around 3 working days to review and approve your application. Once approved, you can log in and start using the eStamp system.
approval email.
Once LHDN approves your application, you will receive an approval email from HassleStamp. After that, you can log in to your eStamp account and start stamping your employment contracts.
Announcement. Stamp system ending the 31st of December 2025.
Access to the stamps system will end after the 31st of December 2025, starting the 1st of January 2026. All stamp duty services must be accessed through the MyTax portal. Transition preparation for users who already have a MyTax ID. Beginning the 1st of January 2026, you can access eStamp Duty (eDuty Setum) through log into MyTax at mytaxhassle.gov.my. Go to Easy Hassle Services, select Stamp Duty, click eDuty Setum.
Part 2. Stamping your employment contract.
Visit http://stamps.hassle.gov.my stamps. Key in your ID and password, then click Daftar Masuk. Select firma atau agensi atau syarikat berdaftar. Under borang pemohonan, select penyeteman. Select penyeteman AM. Choose the stamp office where your office operates. Key in the employment contract date. Key in the title of the contract letter of offer for employment. Then, click Simpan Maklumat M. Go to Bahagian A. Fill in the company information for Part 1 and fill in the employee details for Part 2. Then, click Simpan. Go to Bahagian B. Leave bayaran 0 unless you want to disclose your staff salary. Bilangan salinan is 0 unless you want another copy stamped for your employee. Butiran perjanjian. Key in letter of employment, then click Simpan. Go to Lampiran. Upload the signed employment contract, then click Simpan. Go to the last tab, Perakuan. Tick the small box. Click Simpan. Check your details again. If correct, click Hantar. You are done.
Part 3. Make payment.
Check your notice taksiran. You may print out for supporting before making payment. Ensure the stamp duty amount payable is correct. Proceed with online payment. You can generate the stamp duty certificate after payment has been made. Please attach this certificate with your employment contract as proof of stamp.
Thank you for your attention and stay tuned for more updates.
Hey, looking for reliable company secretarial and tax support?
We began as an accounting firm offering bookkeeping services, and over the years, we've expanded into a full-service firm providing
company secretarial services, tax advisory, and SST submissions, withholding tax filing, and expat payroll, support for international subsidiaries, payments, invoicing, and compliance, e-invoicing, training, and tailored software support. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.